Hi, I'm Vesta.
And I'm Rebecca, and we will be starring in the Asian premiere of Contact.
Created during the pandemic, Contact offers an entirely new, immersive, and socially distanced experience.
This unique outdoor theatre event will require you, as audience members, to download an app on your smartphones, put on your headphones, and follow the actors as they walk through the civic district.
You will be immersed in the play's state-of-the-art 3D soundscape as you enter Sarah's thoughts just as she's approached by a stranger who is not quite what he appears.
Who is this strange man, and why is he making contact with her?
Find the answers in this uplifting play about love, loss, and learning how to live again.
Contact will remind us that in a world where we have become disconnected and distanced, taking the time to appreciate and cherish every moment with each other has become more important than ever.
Contact starts on the 29th of April 2022. Get your tickets now at www.srt.com.sg.
See you there!